Over the past few years, Turkey has become a hotbed of sorts for UFO sightings. Hundreds of videos in 2008 alone revealed UFO sightings in cities such as Kumburgaz, Kurdistan, Istanbul, and much more. One such mass UFO sightings took place in Kumburgaz, where a night guard was able to record few close-up videos of what appeared to be a UFO. Much more than this, the extreme close-up of one of them revealed not only the color of the metal, but also the details of the UFO occupants. This is one of the best footage evidence ever recorded and, probably, the scariest ones, since you can clearly see the shape of the two beings or occupants. Just in case you are not sure about the authenticity of these videos and pictures, please consider these informations. First, hundreds of witnesses and hours of video confirmed these sightings. We really have tons of witnesses here. Second, the film has been validated by the scientific institution, highly reliable and influential. The tube attack analysis came to the conclusion that the flying object had a structure made up of a specific material and was certainly not made up of any kind of computer animation. The tube attack also stated that these objects have physical and material structures, which do not belong in any category, like planes, helicopters, meteors, Venus, Mars, satellites, fireball, Chinese lantern and so on, but it rather fall into the category of UFO. 3, and this is targeting everyone who tried to debunk this video, saying that they simply recorded the back of a cruise ship. Please keep in mind that it has been already rejected this hypothesis. That's because the object was too high and above the horizon to be a ship, simply, he was flying. This has been proved, also measuring the angular elevation of aerial objects in the night sky, versus the moon lunar position at that time. Also, the marine tracking data excluded the presence of any kind of ship nearby. Hope you enjoyed and stay tuned.